Hi, it's Dr. Tracy Mountford and welcome to my weekly Q&A. And today I'm going to be discussing something that's the bane of all my patients' lives. It's their turkey neck. It's a really big issue for women above the age of about 40, 45, and it shows the signs of aging like no other. It's like the backs of the hands. We can look after our faces, we can look after our bodies, but the neck is a big giveaway for age. So what women are always asking me is, they can do things with their face, they can do things with their body, but what can we do about the neck? And it is a particularly difficult area to treat. I mean, in the good old days, all that was really on offer was surgery. But a lot of women, myself included, don't want to go through that. We don't want to necessarily go under the knife. So there are some really good ways of non-surgically addressing the neck in a very, very simple, straightforward couple of procedures. And the first one I'm going to mention is a very popular one at this practice, and that's called Ultherapy. And Ultherapy is revolutionary. It's a technology device that literally uses ultrasound to deliver heat to deeper layers in the skin, right down to the level of the neck, right down to the level of the neck muscles, the platysmal muscles, and it stimulates remodeling and tightening of collagen. And what happens is, when we do a treatment, the skin lifts, tightens, and the jawline improves as well. So you get this lovely smoothness coming through, and the treatment literally only takes about 45 minutes to do with no downtime, which is a big win for a lot of women who want to go out there and not tell anybody their secret. The second thing we can do is something called thread lifting. Now this is really become very popular. Everybody's talking about thread lifting, what celebrities done it, who has had it, who hasn't had it. The interesting thing about thread lifting is that actually what happens is we put very fine little threads just under the surface of the skin. This is done very simply, just using a little bit of local anaesthetic and little tiny points where we need to get added lift. And the threads are inserted just beneath to lift and tug up the tissue. It's done by a specialist. It does have to be done by somebody who's really, really good at this technique, and there is a bit of downtime. So about 3, 4, maybe even up to 5 days of downtime, because it can bruise and it can look a little bit marked. But the results are really quite good. It just gives that added oomph to the neck. It makes it look smoother, younger, fresher, and it's a big firm favourite with the celebrity world. And it lasts about 18 months, so that can't be bad. So if you like this video, please make sure you follow us and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you next week.